Hey everyone. So I've pulled a card for you all out there today, and I've asked, what do you need to focus on to feel more happy in your life now? And the Eight of Swords came through. The message here is know that you are not a prisoner. You're not a prisoner to your life, to what's happening in your current circumstances. Like, you think you are. You think you're bound, you think you're blindfolded, you think you're surrounded, but you're actually not. You can actually walk through all that stuff out, around, and away and release those burdens, everything that whatever you feel is keeping you bound and feeling like you're chained and in a prison of your own circumstances and life, right? You can actually just let that all go and walk away and feel free, happy, enjoy, and also expanded, light, fun, free-flowing. It's only you feeling imprisoned. You can let that go now, and that'll help you feel more happy. So let me know if you've liked it. Make sure you like it. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.